The Health Department is warning Melbourne families about the soaring number of whooping cough cases. The virus can be deadly to babies and infections are spreading fast.
It's been a tough couple of weeks for baby Georgie. Like many, she has been battling a barrage of winter bugs.
As she can't talk, you just don't know what's happening.
Now, parents are being warned to be on alert for whooping cough as cases soar.
Whooping cough is potentially a very severe illness, particularly for little babies and children who can unfortunately die as a result of this infection.
There have been more than 1,300 Victorians infected in just the past 7 months. That's more than 4 times the number of cases for all of last year.
After COVID and our restrictions and lockdowns, we've seen a lot of disruption to our natural cycles of infection.
1/3 of patients are children aged between 10 and 12.
So it can be something as simple as a runny nose and a sore throat.
As well as a severe cough, symptoms can include a whooping sound when inhaling, vomiting after coughing. Sometimes patients stop breathing or even turn blue. Patients infected with whooping cough are urged to stay home as it can be contagious for up to 3 weeks. The good news is the virus is easily treated with a course of antibiotics. Free vaccinations are available for pregnant women, babies, children and our most vulnerable.
Any protection is good protection.
Christy Mayer, 7 News.